Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix 6.4 on Debian 12. This is my server information, operating system, IP address. I am checking server version and IP address. This is Debian 12 and this is my server IP address. Must be your server update and upgrade using this command. Update and upgrade done. Now install some dependency package, transport HTTP and CS certificate. Installation done. This is not needed. Install PHP required package for install Zabbix. PHP required package installation done. Now checking PHP is properly working. Create info.php file and insert PHP info, then save and exit, and now access this info. Yes, successfully running PHP on my server. Now install MariaDB for database. MariaDB installation done. Now download Zabbix 6.4 .dev package and dpkg extract this file using dpkg command, then apt update, and then install Zabbix server, MySQL, Zabbix frontend PHP, Zabbix nginx conf, Zabbix SQL script and Zabbix agent. Press Y for do you want to continue. Zabbix dependency package installation done. Now going to MySQL terminal. Default password is blank. Checking user authentication string. Root is invalid authentication string. Now I am set up root password. Okay, and this part for Zabbix database is root authentication string. This is okay. This part for Zabbix required. Create database Zabbix _db, create user with password and grant all privilege Zabbix user and set globally trust function creator 1 and then flash privilege \q for exit from terminal. And now import Zabbix default database from this location user share Zabbix SQL script MySQL. Sometime you cannot find this exact location, so I recommend to you must be see Zabbix official website for this location. Now type this password or copy and paste here. Now import Zabbix default database done. Now again going to MySQL terminal, root password, and change this global settings 0 and flash privilege, and then exit from MySQL terminal and open MySQL server conf file, and must be type Zabbix DB name, Zabbix username and Zabbix password. Zabbix DB name, by default DB name is Zabbix, but by my DB name Zabbix underscore DB, and user is Zabbix underscore user, and password, this is my password, and remove this hash mark and then save. And another open Nginx configuration, remove this hash mark and then remove this domain name. If you use your domain name, so enter here and remove 80. This is for 80 port for web, 80 not 8080, this is only 80. Then save and exit. Now restart your package Zabbix server, Zabbix agent, Nginx. I think Apache web server running on my server, yes. So if you face your problem, Nginx server not running, so must be check your server is another web server is running like Apache, so must be stop this service and then again run this command, successfully run this command and enable this service. And I am going to main installation from web browser. Yes, Zabbix 6.4, welcome to Zabbix 6.4. Next step, all is green icon, okay. Zabbix DB, Zabbix user and Zabbix user password. And then next step, Zabbix server name, and type my domain name. Next step, pre-installation summary. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Finish. Now login using admin must be a capital and the password is Zabbix, 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 then sign in. Dhaka, Zabbix server is running properly. This is my host name. I am going to host data collection, host, this is my host. You can create more host from this. You can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel. Just I check status. First you checking this service status, then stop this service, then again run this command. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.